South Africa, about 280 million years ago. In the era of Pangaea, the equatorial regions experienced high temperatures, while temperate zones faced significantly cold winters. Certain inland areas may have been relatively arid. Lystrosaurus. Herbivorous dicynodont. Lystrosaurs possessed notably short snouts and lacked teeth, save for the tusk-like upper canines. Dicynodont are widely believed to have featured horny beaks akin to those of turtles, which were utilized for cutting vegetation into smaller pieces. These pieces were subsequently ground against a horny secondary palate when the mouth was closed. The jaw joint exhibited a weakness, allowing for a forward and backward shearing motion, in contrast to the more typical lateral or vertical movements. It is suggested that the jaw muscles were attached unusually far forward on the skull, occupying a significant amount of space on the upper and posterior regions of the skull. The anatomical characteristics of the skeleton suggest that Lystrosaurus exhibited a semi-sprawling locomotion. The lower posterior section of the scapula was notably ossified, indicating that the movement of the scapula played a significant role in extending the stride length of the forelimbs while minimizing lateral flexion of the body. Additionally, the 5 sacral vertebrae were substantial in size but remained unfused to one another and to the pelvis, which contributed to a more rigid back and further limited lateral movement during walking and running. Lystrosaurus measured between 2 and 8 feet in length, with an average size of approximately 3 feet, varying by species, and had a weight ranging from 100 to 200 pounds. During the early Triassic period, Lystrosaurus emerged as the predominant terrestrial vertebrates, comprising up to 95% of the total population in certain fossil deposits. Scholars have proposed several theories to explain the survival of Lystrosaurus through the extinction event and its subsequent success in the early Triassic era. Fossils of Lystrosaurus have been discovered across multiple continents, with a significant concentration in South Africa, Russia, and India. The term Lystrosaurus translates to shovel lizard, a name that reflects the unique physical characteristics and presumed behaviors of this prehistoric creature. The name is derived from the Greek words lystro, meaning shovel, and sauros, meaning lizard. This nomenclature is particularly fitting given the animal's distinctive, broad, and flattened skull, which resembles a shovel and is thought to have been adapted for digging. The shovel-shaped snout of this creature probably aided in digging into the earth, enabling it to construct shelters or seek protection from predators and severe environmental conditions. Such behavior would have been beneficial in an environment where survival frequently relied on the capacity to evade dangers or withstand harsh climates.